young band has proven that the Filipino musical talent is truly world-class, and now they will be bringing their music and talent to the FIVB stage. They are a Filipino indie folk pop band known for their heartfelt lyrics and unique musicality. They were formed in 2016 by twin brothers, and the band has grown into a 9-member ensemble. I'm sure you guys already have an idea about that, but now let us welcome on stage our official music partner. We have Paulo Benjamin Guico, Miguel Benjamin Guico, Poch Barreto, Jam Villanueva, Agnes Rayoma, Pat Lasate, Tony Munoz, Andrew Depano, and Kiefer Bagu Kabugao, also known as Ben and Ben.
And you give it all when your spirit is unshakable. You're gonna triumph, you're gonna triumph. One step to the depths of the door.
Magandang hapon po. We are Ben and Ben, and we are very, very proud and happy to be the music partner of the World's Men's Volleyball Championship by the FIVB. The song that you just heard is Triumph, and we feel like the energy of that song matches so much the passion and love and drive of both the sport and its community. So thank you so much for having us. So right now, yun nga muna sabi kanina, on September 28th, sa closing, definitely very excited to perform Triumph and some of our other songs in that ceremony. We'll really prepare for the performance. We have a lot of creative ideas already. And you'll just be hearing the song a lot in this season of promotion and when the actual tournament happens. And we'll just be here to we're here to really support the men's volleyball championships and of course Anna's Baby.